A very wonderful morning to all of you. This is a stream choosing counseling video from our side, Sri Shankarachar Bal Vidya Niketan Jyoteshwar. This is our school. Our school is situated in Gotegaon. It is established by the grace of Swami Sarupanand Saraswati Ji Maharaj, and it is run under the guidance of Swami Sadanand Saraswati Ji Maharaj. In our school, there are 1500 students from the 30 different villages. Before moving ahead, I am being a teacher or mentor, it's my responsibility to guide you. So here, as you all know that after 10th you have to choose one stream, and stream choosing is a very crucial step. That's why I am here to guide you. While choosing the stream, you have to focus on the 3 steps, which are: first is knowing your interest. So in whichever stream you have to choose or you want to choose, your interest should be there. Don't pressurize yourself under the pressure of your parents, relatives and friends. The next step is seeking career guidance. So here I am and any other mentors who guide you, so take the guidance of them. And third one is participating in alumni guidance. It means those who already have taken the subject, so discuss with them, take their experience, and after that think and choose the subject. So after 10th you have the major 4 streams, which is science, commerce, arts and humanities. Another thing, science have the 2 sub stream, which is maths and bio, and commerce have already different kind of job opportunities, arts have also, and humanities. Later we discuss about the stream wise option, what you have in the future while choosing the stream or after choosing the stream. So science stream having the 2 sub stream, as I already told you. First is mathematics and second is biology. So maths, if you are choosing to maths, or if you are going to choose maths, so you have the option of engineering, architecture, data science and research, as well as analytical skill, problem solving abilities also. If we are talking about the biology sector, so biology opens door to the medical field. As all know that basically in bio, all the students think that there is only option of medical field, but not yet. You have the option of biotechnology, pharmacy and environmental science, and as well as healthcare. Now moving ahead, if we are talking about the commerce stream, so generally people think that commerce stream only have the option of banking, but here you also have the various option, which is chartered accountant, business management and banking. Last but not least, you have the last stream, which is arts and humanities stream. Basically in arts and humanity you have the option of journalism, law, civil services and teaching. So this is my opinion that to choose the stream, you have to very particular about choosing the stream, because it gives you the benefit as well as the consequences, and right stream will unlock the door of your bright future. Thank you.
A very pleasant morning to all of you. As Akansha ma'am discussed with you that choosing the right streams plays a crucial and important role. So here we are discussing about the choosing the right stream. If you are choosing maths, so you have the further option like BSc, BCS, MSc, PhD, MCS, MCM. You can also go with the, after completing your graduation, you can also go for B.Ed, M.Ed, BBA Hospitality, MBA is also there, B Pharmacy, Sports. After that, architect is also there, ITI, Diploma, Army, Engineering, BE, MS, ME, MTech, PhD. After that, if you are choosing commerce, so you have option of CA, MBA. One more option is there, that is banking. If you are choosing arts, so you have the option of law, company secretary, or some civil services also there. Civil services is also there. If you are choosing medical fields, so you have the option of MBBS, MS, biotechnology, BTech, MTech. Professional courses are also there like animation, design, ITI, professional certificates is also there. So if you are choosing maths, so you have several fields are there. If you are going for the commerce and arts, so you see there are very few options are there. Okay. So later on we discuss, we have a comparison table on maths or commerce. So when we talk about maths stream, we have the career flexibility option. What is career flexibility option? As you are choosing maths as your main subject, you can change your subject later on commerce or arts. In commerce, you don't have liberty to change your subject. Here, core skills, when you talk about the core skill, maths provide you logical thinking power or analytical point of view. Here, when we talk about commerce, you have a business sense of mind. After that, difficulties level is not more than that. We have the comparison. Here, when we talk about commerce, there is a less calculation, but it's a heavy subject. Switching later. The main thing of this table, the comparison of this table is that if you are choosing maths or bio as your core subject, you have liberty to change your subject. Easier to switch from science to commerce. Or when we talk about commerce, harder to switch science to after 11th class. So if you are having maths in your core subject, you can change further. Here we talk about the conclusion of overall video that we have represented in front of you, that choosing a right stream based on your interest and your strength. The maths and bio is a highly versatile subject which provides you more opportunity. It's keep your doors open for your more opportunities or career path. If you want to choose a right subject, because it's a long term process, your whole future or career going to depends on the subject which you are choosing right now. So choose wisely and patiently. Thank you. Have a nice day.